Here's a step-by-step. Here's your step-to-step.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
What would this be even called? I got it. Here's your step-by-step tutorial on how to use your cleansing product. There we go. All right, that's a good intro.
Who is it? You saucy.
What's good, people? It's your girl Frinchi, and I'm back with another video. I know it's like long overdue because I be busy. Don't check me about it. Today, right, I'm gonna be talking about my skincare routine. Like, no, I don't do this like twice a day, like all the time. Like, no, this is not like, this is something that I do pretty much every morning. If I miss the morning, I do it at night. Sometimes I might not do the whole, you know what I'm saying? I might just wash, put a little bit of the oil on. In some way, shape, or form, I do this every night. Like, I have my breakouts, of course, like, as you can see. Like, right now, I am very dark. I'm a little high, so my eyes is a little low. So, mind your business. I get a little dark around the eye area, and it used to be a lot worse. I keep up with it. But, you know, when I'm looking in the mirror, like, I got a few little spots that are really clearing up. Let's just stop playing. Look, we're gonna get into it. Like I said, this is my daily skincare routine. I do this at least once a day. Oh, and I get to feature a product, and this is not even sponsored. What is this? Holy Hydration E.L.F skincare. Can you see it? I think it's like I got the whole little kit in this bitch. I've been using it. Put my little thing on right quick. My edges are, they already looking crazy from the night before. You fix it. Okay. When I first started doing my skincare routine, I really didn't know much about how to do it. Like what come first? What do I need to do? Do I wash my face? Then I put like a cream, like how, it just was a lot. Once I really started getting me my own little skincare routine, like once I started getting it, it really became a thing for me to keep up with it, because I noticed like it come back because I be drinking soda. It come back because I didn't care about myself and I didn't take care of my body, and I don't love me. So I'm gonna teach you guys what I've learned personally. I'm not a, what do they call it? Not a gynecologist, goddamn it. What they call? Y'all know what they call? Dermatologist. I'm not a dermatologist. I feel like y'all couldn't see it before. But yeah, I'm gonna take some witch hazel on a cotton swab and I'm gonna clean my face with it. I like to get my neck too, because I am going to get all of that when I wash. And as you can see, this is from me just not washing my face since like late last night when I went to sleep, 3 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm gonna go in with the jelly cleanser. Go ahead and wet my face a little bit. I got a bowl of water right here, so I'm gonna do this for y'all. See how that thing come out? Look at that. So smooth. It's just going like, ooh, silk. I love it. I go in a circular motion outward. But yeah, I just really massage my face real good. Oh, I just love it. I get to be on a show. I'm so excited. Like, me on a show. And I have my own party. I do this for about 1 minute, just so y'all know. I just wash my face. But I'm also now hosting this party on Saturdays. So I take my rag. And I get the whole door fee. So whatever everybody paid at the door, however much we make at the door, that's mine. Dope. So I'm excited about that. Oh, yes. As you can see, I'm already whiter. I had a lot of things going on, and I'm excited about it. Like, duh, I gotta stay on my skincare routine. Like, I'm about to be popping. It's just so much I want to do. Like, it's so many people I want to help. It's so much shit that I want to do that I just feel like, how do I start? With kids, I know. And then getting all this traction, all these followers, especially over on Instagram. Like, people really hype me up, and it's like, bro, I appreciate it, but like, I can make people laugh. I love that. That's where I start at. That's why I do all the videos I do over on my Instagram. Like, that's why I do that is because it makes people laugh. It makes me feel better in some way, but I want to do more. It's like, yeah. But so now we're gonna go in with our coconut mist. Like I said, my face just felt dry after I just cleansed it. So I like to put that on just so I can feel wet again.
I need some wet shit.
Okay, stop.
You're nasty.
We're gonna go in with our toner. This is the fun part. No, I'm just it's just toner. It's just toner. So yeah, we're gonna go in with our toner. And this from the Holy Hydration as well. To just trickle that all over there. And then I put it on my face. Put it all over under my eyes. Get that T-zone very good. It might look like I'm doing it real hard. I'm not doing it real hard, but I'll be doing it softly. Here we go, let that dry. Yeah, but while that's drying, let's talk about it. Why do I always like, maybe I need to stop smoking, but I'll be like, am I dying? And my best friend live on the 3rd floor now in her apartment, and I'll be sitting there like, somebody can shoot the fuck out of us up here. Like, they can just get mad at their girlfriend. Like, fuck you. He trying to, like, show his dominance. He go, fa, fa, to the air. And now it's like, it's just, like, all the time. Like, I'd be like, I don't want to sit next to this door because what if the wind pushing in and bang my head against the wall? Like, I have a problem. I don't talk to too many people about it. So, like, maybe I'm paranoid but I've been smoking since I was, like, young as fuck. So why is it now? I had a little spiritual awakening. I started eating different, and now I can't smoke. That's dumb. I want to smoke freely without feeling like I'm gonna fucking die. We'll go in with our eye cream. It's so creamy. Look at it. Put it under my eyeballs like that. And I put a little bit under this eyeball like that. I rub it in. And I just like to massage them. Ooh, get some blood flowing in them hoes, cause they be getting real purple. Like, why you look like The Walking Dead? I ain't did my hair in like 4 days. Look at me. We outside. I keep my face washed. So who gonna check me? Now what I like to do is go in with my Hydrating Serum. I like to go in with both of these. Put a little dot there, a little dot. Put a little bit there. Oh, it's gonna be wet. I like it. I'm telling you, I want to look like a motherfucking donut. And that's why I like to massage my face. Keep me looking young. Massage my face. I get a nice facial massage. Don't forget my neck. So, yeah, I feel good. Hey, girl. Like, yeah, my skin is nice and clear right now, but like, I am very brown around the eyes. And I got something for that. We got the serum out the way. Next, pop out the Cetaphil. It works. It's good for you. Why not? Good products. I like to put that all over my face. That's so good. And I rub it in the same way. I get real oily right here. When I say oily, I'm like, why? Like, I be chilling in the house for the day. Got up, did my facial routine, washed, and boom, 4 hours later, I'm oily, and I'm like, what the hell? And it's gotten a lot better. Say the more I do this, the more I see improvement on my skin. It's all about what I'm putting on my skin, how I take care of my skin, and what I'm eating in my body that moves into my skin. Let me drink a dark soda. Ew, I can't even drink those because my face just immediately just breaks out. These products, they really have been helping with like the dark spots. This is just from me, man. Y'all, like I said, I threw a party. I was in the gym all day yesterday, so I just got a lot going on. My freckles is coming out a lot. Like, as y'all can see, all of these is freckles. But this is real. Like, this is, a lot of people tell me, oh, you got gray skin, and I'll be looking at them like, girl, I wish. You just gotta eat different. You gotta put more water, more fruit, more vegetables and shit in your diet. You know you're prone to breakouts. If you know better, you'll do better, and that's me. Listen, you're not alone. I'm a lazy bum bitch, okay? Do the fucking work, and you'll have a better outcome. I be letting excuses get to me too, and that's what we be doing. Excuses, excuses, excuses. 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. It really brings everything together. I like to let it sit because it really sucks, and especially if I'm not about to do my makeup. Like if I do this, I brush my teeth and everything, 9 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock, I go out at 3 o'clock. Oh, I'm gonna do this. That way by 3, my skin has absorb the fuck. So yeah, what I'm about to do now is go ahead and get these spoons popping on my eyes for about 30 minutes. So what I did was I already freeze them. So I put some spoons in the freezer. I usually do cucumbers. I put cucumbers in the freezer and I'll freeze them. And then when I take them out the freezer, I'll cut them a little bit, like so they can get the juices formed when they start warming up. And then I put them on my eyes. But what I did with some cold spoons, so I took the cold spoons, I'm gonna take them out the freezer, put one down, and I'll be watching TV, I'll put the other. And I'll just do that for about 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. So. And we're back. As you can see, it made a big difference. I had a little bit of lip chap to my face because they was real dry. I said, use the spoons. Use the spoons. It works and it matters because fresh eyes really bring out a lot about your face. Like if you have dark bags, it's okay. We all got the shits. I promise you. I be ugly. I get it. But like all you have to do is do the shit. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. If you made it this freaking far in my video, like we're friends now. Cause I mean, you came with me looking like this. You like me. And that means we're friends. So leave a comment. Let's talk about it. And when I say we talk about it, like I really respond. So if you got questions, if you just want to talk, I have no life. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit they tell y'all to do. The next video coming up is going to how to keep that cocoon clean, you know? So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Have a good day. Peace.
Camera speed. Sound production.
Yeah.